So guys, huwag kayong magdalawang isip dahil mapatunayan po natin sa Biblia na si Jesus Christ at Jehovah God of Old Testament is similar and the same person. Isaiah 44 verse 6, "Thus saith the Lord, the King of Israel, and his Redeemer, the Lord of hosts, I am the first and the last." Si Jehovah God is the first and the last. And also dito mabasa sa Revelations 1:17, "And when I saw him, I fell all at his feet as dead, and he laid his right hand upon me, saying unto me, Fear not, I am the first and the last." And itong sa Book of Revelation, ito si Jesus Christ nagpakita sa kay Apostle John. At sabi niya, I am the first and the last. Huwag kayong matakot. Dito naman po mababasa sa Isaiah chapter 4 verse 3.